A weighted version of random.choice. I needed to write a weighted version of random.choice. Each element in the list has a different probability for being selected. This is what I came up with. This function seems overly complex to me, and ugly. I'm hoping everyone here can offer some suggestions on improving it or alternate ways of doing this. Efficiency isn't as important to me as code cleanliness and readability.
Since version 1.7.0, NumPy has a choice function that supports probability distributions. Note that probability underscore distribution is a sequence in the same order of list underscore of underscore candidates. You can also use the keyword replace equals false to change the behavior so that drawn items are not replaced.
Since Python 3.6 there is a method choices from the random module. Note that random.choices will sample with replacement, per the docs. Return a k-sized list of elements chosen from the population with replacement. Note for completeness of answer. When a sampling unit is drawn from a finite population and is returned to that population, after its characteristics have been recorded, before the next unit is drawn, the sampling is said to be with replacement. It basically means each element may be chosen more than once. If you need to sample without replacement, then as at Ronan Paishaw's brilliant answer states, you can use numpy.choice, whose replace argument controls such behavior.
Arrange the weights into a cumulative distribution. Use random.random to pick a random float. 0.0 is lower than or equal to x is lower than total. Search the distribution using bisect.bisect as shown in the example at this URL. If you need to make more than one choice, split this into two functions, one to build the cumulative weights and another to bisect to a random point.
The